Hello, everyone. My name is Tania Class Martinez. I'm a PhD student at Purdue in the Chemical Engineering department. And today we'll be discussing some of the requirements and flexibility that goes on into the course selection during your PhD. And although this vary from university to university and department to department, we can classify them into categories. First category being core courses, which are often specified by the department and they're time sensitive. For example, in the chemical engineering department, PhD program requires to take 4 core courses, which are specified, and you need to take them within your first year, no later than that. The other category is elective courses, which, as the word suggests, they're more flexible, and the graduate student can decide which ones want to take. This can be from a specific list or open to like any particular grad course. For example, in chemical engineering, you're required to take 6 elective courses at any point in your PhD, and they can be in any topic and in any department. Doesn't need to be specifically on the chemical engineering department, although often these are suggested to be on topic related to your research project. And overall, what I want you to take away is that course requirements heavily depend on your university, your department, and in some cases your research group, as your advisor might require you to take courses in topics related to your research specifically. I hope this discussion was helpful, and thank you for your attention.